Hey guys, in today's video we've got the brand new Iconic London multi-use blush and bronzer. This was something I was super excited for because when I read the description it says it blushes, it bronzes, and it gives you this immaculate glow. So I was like, yes, I need that in my life. So I bought two shades, and today we're going to try it on and test it out, and I'm going to show you guys what this is about. This is a powder formula, but it goes on creamy. Okay, I'm there for it. Let's try it out. So this is it right here. I've got two shades. This one's Oh Honey, which is a warm bronze with a warm tan sheen. I'm just going to swatch this for you guys. Okay, this is, yeah, I see what they mean. This is like a beautiful formula. This does not feel like a powder at all. That is nice. For a bronzer though, that is like a straight shimmery copper. That would look amazing on your legs. Am I not right? Like, that is phenomenal. Okay, and then I also picked up this one here called So Cheeky, living for the names. This is a warm pink bronze with a golden sheen. Again, this is a very interesting formula because I'm swatching it for you guys. It almost feels wet, but it is definitely a powder formula. But it is a hybrid formula and it's just gorgeous. Okay, so this one actually is so much lighter in color. I thought this would be a lot darker, but that's pretty. That is just, that's stunning. You guys know how I do it. We're going to try it on and test it out. We're going to put one color on this side and the other on this side, and we're just going to live for it. Okay, so I'm going to pick up a fluffy brush. Today I'm going to be using this one right here from It Cosmetics. This is called Heavenly Luxe No. 3 Jumbo Powder Brush because I want a really diffused look right here for this bronzer, because something with a high intensity shimmer like this one has, because we swatched it, we know what we're working with. This, I want it to be like just diffused and not like a ring of like shimmer. Do you know what I'm saying? We don't want that. So big brush, really supple, soft, flowy, airbrushed look, 100%. I kind of really want to start with the pink one. So let's go in with this beautiful So Cheeky color. So I'm just going to pick up a generous amount of product on that brush. To start, I'm going to apply the product right here where I want that sun-kissed glow on my forehead, and then just on the high points of my cheekbones right here. Let's start with the forehead. I'm just going to tap. Oh, that's pretty. Wow. Okay. I'm actually shook. I'm going to pick up a little bit more of that product because I am using a bigger brush. It does go on fairly sheer, which is great. You guys can see the difference. No product, product. That is pretty. Like, that's very, very pretty. Now, when I read the description for this, it was all like, okay, blush, bronzer. And I'm like, okay. And then it says highlighter because of the shimmer. And I'm like, we're going to see. So I'm going to apply this right here. You know what? For this part, I'm going to go in with a smaller brush. So I'm going to pick just a really nice brush up. This is actually a P. Louise brush. It's very soft. We'll pick up a good amount of that product, tap that off. I don't want too much. And I'm just going to apply this like a blush almost. Just really getting that on the cheekbones. Okay, I'm not mad at that. That is, wow, that is stunning. Iconic London, this is gorgeous. If you guys remember my last video, I think it was my last video, sometime last week I had done a video for you guys where it was the Kosas bronzer, and that one had a beautiful glow to it, like stunning, absolutely gorgeous. This is hands down iconic London, right? This is beautiful. Like, I love this. Now, I don't want it to be too pink right here, and I feel like I'm getting it just a little bit too pink. I just picked up my beautiful Artis Palm brush, which is like a brush I love. You guys know I've talked about it, raved about it for years. I'm just going to blend that out just a little bit, and a little bit right here. Okay, it's giving me life. It's giving me color. I'm getting that glowing to the gods effect. I'm bronzed. I'm excited. I just want a little bit down the center of my nose on this side. You know, just to give that little bit of glow right there. I'm excited for this. I'm going to go in with this beautiful golden color right here. So this, remember, this actually went on so much darker when I swatched it on my hand. So for this, I'm going to pick up, again, this is a Scott Barnes 67. Beautiful brush. I'm going to pick up some of this color right here. Now, because this did go darker when I swatched it, I picked up a little less color than I did when I did this side. We're going to just build this side up. So, again, starting with a hairline. Oh, I can totally see the difference in the shades. Wow, can you guys see that? That's pretty fantastic. I like that. Now, obviously I'm quite fair to pull off such a bronzed shade, but here's a little something I should tell you guys. On the Sephora website where I picked this up, they actually only carry 3 shades. Why? Who knows? But when you go into the iconic London site, there actually is 5 of these beautiful shimmer bronzers available. So it's definitely something to check out. These are $39 Canadian and stunning, on sale right now because of the VIB sale. Like, honestly, if you have more of a golden bronzed skin tone, like, this is gonna look fabulous on you. For me, I think I actually like the pinker side a little bit better, but what do you guys think? I mean, I love them both, clearly. Like, I mean, I don't know. Maybe I do love this side more. I love them both, clearly. So I'm going to pick up another fluffy brush here from P. Louise. I'm going to just pick up some of that product. It's a smaller brush. Again, super fluffy because we want it to be really diffused. And I'm going to just apply that right here. Okay. Right? The color is everything. I am so living for this right now. Okay. Now that I have that on as a blush, I'm like, I don't know, I think I like this one more. I really need you guys' help. Let me know in the comments down below which side do you guys like the best, because I can't decide. Both colors are absolutely stunning. If you do go to pick this up, I recommend both because, like, right? You just need this in your life. This is gorgeous. Wow. Okay. Oh, and a little right here, just to make it a little even though we're 2 different colors. What do you guys think? This is stunning. This is vacation-worthy radiance. Am I not right? Right? Yes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss when I drop a new video. And if you haven't seen it yet, the Kosas bronzer right there, check it out. Alright guys, until next time, mwah, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye.